The symptoms of an allergic reaction in a cat are going to be manifested in their skin. They're going to become very itchy. It might just be a certain location, or it could be generalized. We see a lot of cats that, gosh, for years we considered them just over grooming. But what they're probably doing is licking all their hair off because of an allergy. Cat allergies are difficult to actually get rid of because what usually they're allergic to is something in the environment. It could be a food constituent, so certainly that's worth investigating by maybe doing a food trial with a hypoallergenic diet. Getting rid of the allergy is difficult. As pets age, I think they develop some tolerance. The allergic reaction to something they're allergic to might be less over time. The medications we use to treat cat allergies are limited. One product that we use in dogs is called Apoquel. The dose for cats, for it to be effective, is a little higher than in a dog, but it's found to be very safe for cats. The efficacy is what we just don't know, and it's usually an individual response to that. Classically, cortisones are used most frequently for allergies in cats, and they just reduce the immune response to the allergen. Yes, there are. There are some diets that have been formulated to have less allergy potential, if you will. There are a lot of hydrolyzed diets, which just mean that the water's been injected into these long proteins and it just busts them up into smaller little proteins that aren't nearly as allergenic. And so, yeah, those diets can help quite a bit if we've got a food allergy. A common food allergy is usually the big, long proteins that are found in meat tissue. Those are probably the most common things. Now, it could be just about any meat protein, beef, chicken, whatever the pet food manufacturer is using as their protein source. Allergen testing in cats can be done with skin testing, just like a person might go through allergy skin test. We can also do a blood test, and there's certain things in the bloodstream that react to different allergens, and those can be measured. The high reaction would correlate to that little allergen being the cause of a potential allergy in the cat. Allergies in a cat can become less over time just as the body develops tolerance to the exposure to the different allergens. So yes, over time, the allergy reaction could be less. Treated environmental allergies, if we can identify what it is, then avoidance is the best thing to do. There are cat allergy shots determined by doing an allergy test. We build what's called a treatment set to hyposensitize that pet to whatever they're allergic to. As far as other types of shots, corticosteroid injections can be given and have in the past been our best way to treat those. There are just too many other side effects for that to be the generalized recommendation to treat any allergic cat. Cat allergies can become worse during certain times of the year if the pet has a seasonal allergy to some pollen, for instance. But boy, it just depends on the individual and what they're allergic to. Is if there's a certain time of the year that the pet is having more allergic flare-ups than other times of the year.